So welcome back to Coder from Non-IT. In this video, we will be discussing about what is DBMS and why it is important. So what do you think? Where the apps store your data? That's where DBMS comes in. So now you will ask me what is DBMS. So DBMS stands for Database Management System. Basically, it is a software or a digital system that helps developers to store, organize, and manage data very efficiently. Instead of saving data randomly into files, DBMS keeps everything structured like a well-organized digital library. So now you will ask me why DBMS is important in software development. So let me tell you why DBMS is important in software development. So think of any applications we use every day, like the Zomato, Amazon, or Instagram. All depends on database management systems. Like database management systems helps developers to store user data safely. It also helps developers access data very faster. Also, it helps us to update or delete data easily. It ensures security and backup. It handles millions of users without breaking. Without DBMS, apps can't scale, stay organized, or work reliably. So, in simple words, we can say that DBMS is the brain behind the data. If you want to become a developer, understanding DBMS is non-negotiable. Thank you.